Hello everyone, welcome back to our English lesson. Today we will focus on Phonics 4, which is the sound oi. For today's lesson, we have 3 learning objectives. Firstly, we are going to identify words with oi sound. Next, we are going to listen to a chant. And after that, we are going to complete a quiz in a Google form. Alright, so before we start, let us do a bit of revision here. So today we will focus on the sound oi. However, there are words with different spelling. Okay, so here we have oi and oy. So I want you to listen and try to say the words while you are listening. Okay, class?
Phonics 4. Activity 1. Listen and say. O-I. Oi. Oi. Coin. Boil. O-Y. Oi. Oi. Toys. Boy.
Okay, so we have oi and oy. Beside this word, alright, we still have other example with oi. Okay, as you can see here, we have point, choice, spoil. Alright, all this has the oi sound. While we also have other examples for the spelling oy. Okay, there are many other words with the same sound. Okay, so next, I want you to look at page 122, activity 2. We are going to listen to a chant entitled In the House. I will play these chants twice. I want you to listen and look for the words that have oi sound. Okay, class?
Activity 2. Listen and chant. Then underline the oi sounds. In the house.
The boys have got many toys, but they play with their coins. The boys play with coins, and they make a lot of noise. Sit down, boys, play only with your toys, and don't make noise. Don't make noise.
So I will play it again.
Activity 2. Listen and chant. Then underline the oi sounds. In the house.
The boys have got many toys, but they play with their coins. The boys play with coins, and they make a lot of noise. Sit down, boys, play only with your toys, and don't make noise. Don't make noise.
So this is the chant. Alright, so as you can see, from the picture, the boys are playing coins, and most probably this is their mother. Okay, so the mother was mad because the boy were playing coins, and it made a lot of noise. Okay, so have you found the words in with the oi sound? Okay.
Activity 2.
Okay, so here is it. The boys have got many toys, alright? But they play with their coins. The boys play with coins and they make a lot of noise. Sit down, boys. Play only with your toys and don't make noise. Don't make noise. So this is quite easy, alright? So there are words that in oi sound and they can be found easily. So can you find any? Okay, so here are they, alright? Boys, toys, coins, and noise. And all these words they repeat in the other part of the chants, alright? They repeat. So these are the words that have the oi sound. However, they have different spelling. Okay, so let's look at the spelling oi. So what are the words that has the oi as the spelling? We have coins and noise. While for the spelling for oy, we have the words boys and toys. Easy, right? Yes. Okay, next, let us do a bit of activity here. You are going to circle the word doesn't belong, right? Circle the word does not belong. Means they do not the same. Yeah, they are not the same, right? They are not the same. Okay, let's look at the first one. We have coin, toy, boil, and soil. So which one or which word does not belong to this group? Can you tell me? Yes. Alright. Okay, so here are the question here. Okay, so the first one, okay, the first one is toy. Alright, you can see it from the spelling. We have coin, boil, soil, but the word toy, it has different spelling. Okay, number 2, we have toy, joy, join, and soy. So which word does not belong? It is the word join. Okay, it is simple and easy. Alright, next questions. We have 3 words here. We have enjoys, boys, and boil. So which word does not belong? It is boil. And last one, we have spoil, destroy, and soil. So class, which word does not belong? It is destroy. Okay, it is easy to find as it has different spelling from the others, especially the word, the sound oi. Okay, it has oi, but not the word destroy, which has the spelling oy. Okay, class? Alright, so what now? So we have listened to a chant. We have done it. We also have identified words with oi sound. Alright? So we have done this too. So what are we going to do now? We are going to complete a quiz. So click the link below. Okay, the quiz is in a Google form, so I want you to answer the quiz. Okay, make sure you watch the video and understand it first before you complete the quiz. Answer it once only. Jawab sekali sahaja. Okay, class? That's all from me. Thank you and see you again.